I think he's telling you he wanted you to go get it for him.
That's at the seafood restaurant.
Oh, good.
And everything's about $10.
Hi. I'm videoing you. That's a nice boy. Yeah, oh, look at him. Come here. Crawl to me. You come here. Come on. Oh, there you go. Almost. Look at that. He got the thing he wanted, huh? Ah. Uh-oh, there you go. Whoop.
I went too far. That's
All
too
right.
far away.